What if I told you the reason you are alive right now might be a giant ball of gas 5 times farther from the sun than Earth? What if Jupiter never existed? No giant planet, no massive gravity shield, just empty space where it should be. Would Earth still be here? Or would we have been wiped out long before humans ever evolved? Jupiter isn't just big, it's massive. More than twice as massive as every other planet combined. It's so heavy that it slightly pulls the sun toward it. And because of that gravity, Jupiter acts like a cosmic gatekeeper. Every year, thousands of comets and asteroids enter the inner solar system. Many of them never reach us. Why? Because Jupiter grabs them, or flings them away, or smashes them apart. In 1994, a comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 crashed into Jupiter. The explosion was so powerful, it left scars bigger than Earth. That impact was meant for someone. Without Jupiter, that someone might have been us. Scientists call Jupiter a gravitational shield. Its enormous gravity redirects dangerous objects. It absorbs impacts that could reset life on Earth. But here's where it gets interesting. Jupiter doesn't just block threats. It also controls the asteroid belt. Without Jupiter's gravity, the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter would likely form into another planet. But Jupiter keeps it unstable. It prevents those rocks from combining. It shapes the entire structure of our solar system. Remove Jupiter, and the architecture of everything changes. Now imagine this. Jupiter never formed. No giant gravity well. What happens? First, the early solar system becomes chaotic. More planetesimals collide randomly. Earth may experience far more impacts. Some scientists believe Jupiter actually both protects and sends objects toward us. Without it, the number of impacts might not decrease. It might increase. Earth's early history may have been far more violent. Or Earth may never have formed the same way at all. Because Jupiter influenced how material moved in the early solar system. It helped shape the distribution of gas and rock. No Jupiter. Maybe Earth forms smaller. Maybe it forms drier. Maybe it never forms oceans. Here's the twist. Some researchers believe Jupiter helped deliver water to Earth. Its gravity disturbed icy objects in the outer solar system. Those objects traveled inward, and some crashed into early Earth. Bringing water, bringing organic molecules, bringing the ingredients for life. No Jupiter? Maybe Earth stays dry. A rocky world. No oceans. No biology. No you. But it gets deeper. Jupiter stabilizes Earth's orbit. Its gravitational presence limits how much Earth wobbles. Without Jupiter, Earth's orbit could become more elliptical, more unstable. Seasons might become extreme, climate shifts more violent, ice ages more frequent. Life struggles to evolve complexity. Civilization becomes unlikely. Now imagine the worst-case scenario. Without Jupiter's gravity to absorb comets, more extinction-level impacts hit Earth. Not one asteroid that kills the dinosaurs, but dozens over millions of years. Every time complex life begins to evolve, it gets erased. Again, and again, and again. Maybe intelligence never gets a chance. Maybe evolution never stabilizes long enough. Maybe Earth becomes a reset button planet. And there's something even more unsettling. Without Jupiter, Saturn might migrate inward differently. Planetary orbits could shift. Mars might grow larger. The asteroid belt might collapse into a planet. The solar system we know would not exist. And if one giant planet changes everything, what does that say about other star systems? Maybe many Earth-like planets never develop life because they don't have a Jupiter. You don't see Jupiter every night. You don't think about it when you wake up. But 778 million kilometers away, a silent giant has been standing guard for 4.5 billion years, taking hits, redirecting chaos, shaping destiny. You are alive, not just because Earth is in the right place, but because something massive is standing further out, holding the chaos back. So what if Jupiter never existed? Maybe Earth would still be here. Maybe not. Maybe life would evolve differently. Or maybe the universe rolled the dice just once, and that giant planet was the difference between a silent rock in space and a planet that can ask this question. And the most terrifying thought, in other solar systems, there may be Earths waiting for their Jupiter and never getting one.